So for instance, let's say I threw this in. Let's do one on your homework so you see what you see on there. So if you take a look, for instance, at question number 16. I guess that's not only. We're going to have to cut down on your homework. Oh, let's do 17. What's the function in 17? The base is 3, and the power is cosecant x, okay? So u is cosecant x, correct? What would du dx be? Negative.
Negative cosecant.
Okay. Okay, so Noah Kibbe, to answer your question then, I would have to apply the rule, and then at the end I'm going to be multiplying by this. Okay?
Okay.
So according to our rule for exponent, we're going to multiply by just 3 to the cosecant x times natural log of 3. Take care of that. But then I'm going to also have to multiply by du dx, which is this. It's chain rule.
Okay.
So here we go. Okay, so 3 to the cosecant x times natural log of the base, natural log of 3, then times.
Wait, isn't 17 arc cosine or cosecant? Because it's cosecant -1.
Where is this?
17.
Okay.
And 3 9. He was on the wrong side.
Okay, so then what do I have to multiply by?
The negative cosecant x plus cosecant.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, now, this is not very, again, this is one of those things that's not very pretty at all. The most that I would say that you could do is natural log of 3 is a number, it's not an exact number, but usually if it was like 7, we'd put it in front, right? So I would rearrange it and put natural log of 3 in front, times 3 to the cosecant of x, times, and I might even put this in, oh, we could put a negative, can't we put the negative in front too? Times cosecant of x, times cotangent of x, but it's not very nice. Okay?
Is that the answer?
That would be the answer.
How many boxes?
I think that was maybe like 4.
That's a 4-box answer? Are we gonna like highlight individual boxes afterwards, or we're just gonna keep it highlighted?
I'm going to pass back your test.
I feel like that's.
What I would like you to do with your test is take a look. Put it in the test folder. If I can find your test. Where did I put it? Oh, it's still in my little office.
Are we doing all 1 to 41?
No. Oh, Bailey, thanks. Jeez. I'll transfer some a little for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're right here. Would you take a look at your test, put it in your test folder over there, and then I want to spend time going through those tomorrow. Your codes are worth it. Do you have any idea what they are? Wednesday? The 3-9 is the last section. It's chapter 3.
Called me on 1%.
You guys are doing a nice job. Okay, so take a look. I know they're scaled, and when they're scaled, I think you think, well, I got a 90%, and that is awesome. Or even that's why I scale it. Okay. So look at that score, but what we need to go through then is since it's a scaled score, we did still get a lot wrong, and because it's AP. AP stuff you get a lot wrong on, but we still want to learn. Because on your AP test on free response, you can get partial points on things. And so we need to start talking about how do we fix some of these things that we got wrong, and so I do want to spend time talking about response. But put them in your test folder. So, what are we doing? I said 1 through 41 odds, and we're going to skip 19. I'm going to cut that down to, hold on, 1 through, geez, you won't be able to, okay, 1 through 41 odds, but then you're going to skip all of these. Are you ready? You're going to skip 11. You're going to skip 13. We already did 17 together, right? You're going to skip till 19. And that's it. Those are the only ones that I think of how you skip. Let's see, that's like 17 problems. I think you're probably right.
She's just very optimistic about it.
Yeah. And it's not, yeah, no, we had a good discussion about things. Okay.
Okay, now get out of here and quick load this to YouTube. I didn't see your copy yet. Uh-oh, why do I have 2 videos? Did it cut it into 2? Is it so long? Oh, phone manager, okay. Hey, Ethan, what's up?
Do you know, like, depending on what you get on the AP test at the end of the year, what credits it covers at colleges? Like,
It depends on the school.
because I was at Western yesterday, and I didn't quite hear what they said, but she said that depending on the number, it covers more than one math credit, but I didn't quite hear.
Hear what she said?
Yeah. She said, I think she said Calc 1 and 2,
That's
but that's B.
That's BC.
So I don't know what AB covers there.
Calc 1.
Just Calc 1?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
Calc BC typically is Calc 1 and 2, and Calc AB is typically Calc 1.
Okay.
And depending on the college, I know Michigan only accepted a 4 and a 5,
Yeah.
but I think
They
Western.
accept 3 at Western.
Oh, good.
So, alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. What? Calvin? Did it go okay?
Yeah, I came back out and I'm like, we were in there for a long time.
Yeah, I did. I was wondering what was going on with that.
We talked about the stuff we had in the paper, and then we started talking about, we were talking about a little bit about classes and like kids motivation and how, he was saying like how he thinks, because one of our last like journals, it was like, what we have to talk about is like the most satisfying and the most frustrating things about student teaching so far, and like a lot of things to feel wrote is that like how do you do with kids who aren't motivated and that like you can't, that aren't willing to let you change their motivation, you know what I mean?
Right.
And then he said more than ever this semester, I knew a couple girls, he said more than ever this semester he's having like people who are like questioning whether or not they want to be teachers. He said,
Well, the demand of teaching are so much. I started teaching again.
But then he goes, oh, so you're going to be in class tomorrow, right? And he's like, after conference, I was like, yeah, I guess so. Maybe we'll have a meeting next week. 8:30. So, so I have to go there for an hour. So I'm like, cool, so I'll get home at like 9 o'clock. After being gone.
Is it supposed to be 6:30 to 8:30? Or 6 to 8?
6 to 8:30. I know. Okay. So I want you guys to take out your homework, and we're going to go over questions on that. So. I need to sit. Is that your homework? Because you and Aaron both up here is the distraction. You talk too much. Okay, so are there any questions on the homework? The class is just done really quiet. Did everybody understood since we did that one in class? Everybody understood the rest?
This is review though from last year, so still try to keep up with this stuff.
Yeah.
I understand feeling overwhelmed by that, but still try to keep up with the notes and maybe attempt some of the homework.
61
Okay.
is E. 52 is C. 53 is A, and 54 is B. Yes, I will say them again. So 59 is false. 60 is true. 61 is E. 62 is C. 63 is A. And 64 is B. Okay. So no questions?